In this video, I will show you how I use ChatGPT as a powerful graphic design tool to create a professional YouTube channel banner from scratch. I'm starting right here on my desktop, and to begin, I'll open my notepad window to copy a detailed prompt I've prepared for a technology-focused channel called Tech with Josh. I'll paste this specific design brief directly into the message box and hit send. Now, I'll wait just a few moments while ChatGPT processes the instructions and generates the first version of the banner. Once the initial image appears in the chat flow, I'll click on it to get a full-screen preview of the sleek, dark blue geometric design before closing it to continue. While the first concept is strong, I want to ensure the channel name is immediately readable even on mobile devices. I'll go back to my notes and copy a second refinement prompt designed specifically to make the Tech with Josh text much larger and bolder against the geometric background. I'll paste that into the chat and send the update. While the AI tool is working, I'll wait for the new image to generate. As you can see, this version is much clearer, successfully addressing the readability issue. I'll take a quick look to confirm the change and then move on to the final crucial step. To give myself options and ensure the perfect fit for my channel branding, I want to see several layout variations. I'll copy a final prompt from my notes requesting 3 distinct designs using the exact same stylistic elements. I'll paste it into the chat and click send. Now, I'll wait just a moment for ChatGPT to generate the collection of distinct layouts. Here are the variations, showcasing different text placements and background densities to suit different YouTube contexts. I'll open the preview window to see all 3 designs stacked together, and since I'm incredibly happy with the results, I'll click the download icon to save the final high-resolution images directly to my computer. This workflow allows me to create polished, custom channel art without any professional design software. If you found this quick walkthrough helpful for branding your own YouTube channel, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more creative AI tips and tutorials.